Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into Warner Bros. Discovery's strategic restructuring with two core operating units, which has sent their shares soaring. We'll explore the surge in Himax shares following speculation about potential partnerships with NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Adobe faces a downturn as its outlook disappoints Wall Street, prompting TD Cowen to cut its rating. Meanwhile, Costco stands firm against 98% of Teamsters' demands. The U.S. Supreme Court dismisses NVIDIA's request to avoid a securities fraud suit, while MicroStrategy could benefit from a potential inclusion in the NASDAQ 100 according to Bernstein analysts. Lucid Group is on the lookout for new partnerships amidst changes in the electric vehicle sector, and Tesla breaks its six-session winning streak. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these stories and their implications for investors and industries alike. Warner Bros. Discovery has unveiled a new corporate structure with two divisions, Global Linear Networks and Streaming and Studios. This move is designed to improve clarity and focus, resulting in shares rising over 6%. The company aims to finalize this by mid-2025, focusing on profitability and growth in the changing media landscape.
Himax Technologies shares jumped 28% after analyst Ming-Chi Kuo indicated it might supply NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor. Himax could leverage its wafer-level optics technology to enter the supply chain for co-packaged optics and NVIDIA's Rubin AI chips, potentially boosting long-term growth in AI server chip design.
Adobe's stock fell by 12% after its fiscal 2025 outlook didn't meet expectations. Analysts have mixed opinions. Jefferies is keeping a buy rating, while TD Cowen has downgraded to hold. Concerns focus on slow AI revenue growth and flat margins, even though there's strong generative AI traction and more share buybacks.
Costco may experience strikes as the Teamsters Union cautions about dangerous waters following Costco's rejection of 98% of their demands. The union, which represents 18,000 employees, has filed unfair labor practice charges and is seeking better family leave and seniority terms before the contract expires in 7 weeks.
The U.S. Supreme Court dismissed NVIDIA's appeal, allowing stockholders to continue with claims that the company misled investors about its reliance on cryptocurrency sales. The case, led by Swedish firm E. Oman J. or Fonder AB, now moves to discovery.
MicroStrategy's growth might speed up if it's included in the NASDAQ 100 index, enhancing its Bitcoin momentum and drawing more investment. Shares have jumped 550% this year due to its focus on acquiring Bitcoin. Analyst Gautam Chugani anticipates greater visibility, while Bloomberg forecasts a December inclusion with a 0.46% index weight.
Lucid Group's CEO, Peter Rawlinson, announced discussions with car manufacturers for potential partnerships aimed at boosting sustainability. The company recently launched a manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia and is planning to increase production. Although there was a delay with an Aston Martin contract, Lucid's shares increased by 0.85% in pre-market trading on Thursday.
Tesla shares ended a 6-day winning streak, dropping 1.65% to $417.77 on Thursday after reaching a record high of $424.77 on Wednesday. The stock is up 27% this month and nearly 71% this year, outperforming the S&P 500 index's over 27% gain. Analysts rate it as a hold due to concerns about growth and valuation despite strong profitability and momentum scores. Tesla faces challenges from market saturation, reduced incentives, competition, and shifting consumer preferences next year.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that matter to your business journey. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.